Hey guys, it's Gore. Hashtag Paul. And these are the s'mores that I made. Hopefully you guys like them. It's pretty solid for some s'mores. Those are my cousin's s'mores over there. Look how garbage he made them. So bad. That one's opened. That's the MacBook. Weird. Anyway, sorry about that noise. I'm gonna eat these s'mores and hopefully you guys like the reactions. I'll eat these s'mores real quick. Try to do this. Okay. Look at this. See that? I don't know if you guys can see this. Yep. Look at this, y'all. Very crunchy. Now my cousin's gonna eat hers. Eat it! Come on!
No.
Hurry up!
You can't just say I'm trying to put Netflix for you.
No, I don't need Netflix, yo. I got the YouTube style. Hurry up, God. I don't want this video to be like 50 years long. Hurry up! Fudge.
Can you wait?
No, I can't wait. And I'm not gonna cut this off. I'm gonna videotape you typing. Alright, here she goes, guys. Hey, show your face before you eat it. No. You gotta show your face while eating it.
Okay.
What's the reaction? What does it taste like? What's it taste like, woman?
It's good.
Alright. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. It has been Gore, and I will talk to you all later.